Thank you, Mr. Technical Auditor. So, Jeremy, you have knowledge in English, and please speak the second model. Please.
Yes, thank you. So we acknowledge the presence of our back-here person, Engineer Rodrigo Estalizer, or back chairperson, Engineer Angelino Santos Tumagan Jr., sir. Our member, Engineer Lydia R. Herrera, and from DPWH, headed by Engineer David Maldonado, sir. The members, Anthony S. Majado, Engineer Anthony S. Majado, Engineer Wilfredo Mario, and Secretary headed by Engineer Jordan Tan. Members are Cindy Pangalinan, Federico Sananga, and yours truly, Joy Bernardo. From planning section, we have Engineer China Danao, Engineer Alvin Gregorio, Engineer Adrian Nico Amat, and Engineer Gregory Castaneda. From procurement po, and from DIO is Patrick Toribio, Neil Nico de la Cruz. Those are representatives from DWG, and the majority of the back are present today doing have a quorum.
Thank you, Mr.
So the first project is 26BH0084, constantly basic infrastructure program, multipurpose buildings, facilities to support services, construction completion of multipurpose building, Santa Isabel Elementary School, 103454, Barangay Santa Isabel, Jones, Isabela. EPC, 2,475 pesos only. Contract duration, 135 calendar days, and cost of meeting documents is 5,000. Second project, 26BH0085, developing multipurpose buildings, facilities to support services, construction completion of multipurpose building, Barangay 1, Jones Isabela, 16.56093. ABC, 2,970,000, contract duration, 134 calendar days, and cost of meeting documents is 5,000 pesos here. Next is 26BH0086, VIP multipurpose buildings, facilities to support services, construction completion is multipurpose building, building 2, Jones East Central School, Barangay Tuluan, Jones, Isabela. ABC, 2,475 pesos only. Contract duration is 194 calendar days, and cost of living documents is 5,000 pesos. Next, BH0087. VIP multipurpose buildings, facilities to support services, construction completion is multipurpose building, building 2, Mapalad Elementary School, Barangay Mapalad, San Agustin, Isabela. ABC, 2,475,000, contract duration is 136 calendar days, and cost of living documents is 5,000 pesos. Next, BH0088. Buildings, facilities to support services, construction completion and multipurpose building, barangay hall, barangay Pilihan, Jones, Isabela. ABC, 2,475,000 pesos. Total revision is 120 calendar days. Total bidding, 5,000. 26 PH 0089. Multipurpose buildings, facilities to support services. Construction completion and multipurpose building, barangay Palagao, Palagao, Police Isabela. ABC 1,980,000. Concentration is 175 calendar days and cost of payment documents is 5,000. Is 26 BH 0090. New multipurpose buildings, facilities to support services, construction completion is multipurpose building, Limon Elementary School. ABC 2,475 pesos home. Consideration 194 calendar days and cost of meeting documents is 5,000. Next, 26 PH 0091. These access roads and our bridges for national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of roads, station 0+00 to station 0+400, barangay, Durban and San Agustin, Isabela. ABC 5,398,470 pesos. Contribution is 74 calendar days and cost of meeting documents is 10,000. Next is 26 PH 0092. CPAC. Access roads and all bridges to national roads leading to major strategic public buildings facilities. Construction of road station 0+00 to station 0+334 barangay Rumuna, Isabela. ABC 1,802,000. Contribution is 66 calendar days and cost of meeting documents is 5,000. Next, 26 PH 0093. DLP address roads and all bridges on national roads leading to major strategic public buildings facilities. Construction of road station 0+00 to station 0+487 barangay Magdalena, San Isidro, Isabela. ABC 8,197 and 120 pesos. Contribution 145 calendar days and cost of meeting documents is 10,000 pesos. Next, 26 BH 0094. CPAC. Access roads and all bridges and national roads leading to major strategic public buildings facilities. Construction of road barangay Buyon, barangay Buyon, station 0+00 to station 1+219, Secret Kawayan, Isabela. ABC 90,208,000. Contract duration is 178 calendar days and cost of bidding document is 25,000. Next is 26 BH 0095. DLP access roads and all bridges from national roads leading to major strategic public buildings facilities. Construction of road station 0+00 to station 0+171 barangay Palangka, Cordon, Isabela. ABC 13,494,609. Consideration 225 calendar days and cost of meeting documents is 25,000 pesos. The last one, 26 PH 0096. Multiple buildings, facilities to support services. Construction completion of multipurpose building, barangay William Marsville, Cordon, Isabela. ABC 3,475,000. Consideration 224 calendar days and cost of meeting documents is 5,000. The date of submission of the meeting documents is until July 27, 2026, 10 p.m. and the opening of meetings will also be on July 27 May. So, Let's watch a video presentation of the legal report.
Hello, good morning everyone. This presentation
Before I forget, we are doing what we are everything. So also we are conducting this conference to clarify what actually any of the requirements, terms, conditions, and specifications related in building project. So we now watch the visual presentation of the
Hello, good morning everyone. This presentation provides essential instruction to prospective bidders on the upcoming procurement activities of this district, Isabela 4th District Engineering Office. First on the list, bids received in excess of the approved budget of the contract, or ABC, will be automatically rejected upon opening. Bidding documents, as we all know, these are a comprehensive set of materials provided by the procuring entity to prospective bidders detailing the requirements of a project. It consists of the following documents: invitation to bid, eligibility requirements, eligibility data sheet, instruction to bidders, bid data sheet, general conditions of the contract, special conditions of the contract, specification, drawings, bill of quantities, bidding forms. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders on the dates provided, and they can obtain a copy at this office and upon payment of the applicable fees. Please note that these are non-refundable fees pursuant to the guidelines of the Government Procurement Policy Board, or GPPB. These are also posted on PhilJEP's and DPWH website, and they can download it for free. Prospective bidders should be registered with and classified by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board, or PCAB, with a specific size range as required in the project advertised. Contractors or applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works application at the DPWH Procurement Service, 5th floor, DPWH Building, Bonifacio Drive, Port Area, Manila, while those already enrolled shall keep their records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH Contractor Profile Eligibility process and subject to further post-qualification. Information on registration can be obtained from the PRS during working weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or at the DPWH website. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass or fail criterion, as is specified in the approved implementing rules and regulations of RA 12009, otherwise known as the New Government Procurement Act. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the BDS. For the electronic bid, you can send it to electronicbids_isabela4@dpwh.gov.ph. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidder's representative who chose to attend the bidding. Late bids shall not be accepted. The DPWH Isabela 4th District Engineering Office reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with Section 70 of RA 12009 and its IRR, without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. If at the time of the post-qualification procedure the back verifies that any of the deficiencies is due to the contractor's fault or negligence pursuant to Section 63 of the Implementing Rules and Regulation of RA 12009, the procuring entity shall disqualify the contractor from the award without any right to reimburse fees and incidental costs paid for the procurement of infrastructure contract subject of the bid. Please take note of the following department orders. Department Order 110 Series of 2024 requires contractor for civil works project that are large A, medium B, and medium A to have International Organization for Standardization or ISO certificate. Department Order 280/2024 is about three-strike policy. It suspends bidder from participating in the bidding after they commit three similar unjustified violations of procurement rules within the specific timeframe, such as a year. Violations include withdrawal, submission of late bids, submission of patently insufficient bids. Department Order 11/2017 requires prospective bidders for the inclusion of minimum material testing equipment in the technical component of the bid. The next slides provides you other reminders on the components of the bid proposal. Sealing and marking of envelope. Eligibility requirements. Net financial contracting capacity or NFCC. Bid securing declaration or BSD. Other technical requirements are the following: Articles of Incorporators or General Information Sheet. Omnibus Sworn Statement. Transaction with the district can only be made with the authorized license officers or if they have a special power of attorney which specifically indicates the contract ID they are interested in.
Kita dalam perspektif ini kemudian dimaksudkan jadi kemudian di seluruh melakukan negara lain ini ya namun dia itu mengenal seluruh istri teman-teman ini adalah things are very giving an emotion for the enjoyment of this benefit conference.
And that is for you learning speakers.
It's an emotion for the enjoyment and what I'm very study conference we are